Unlocking the power of clove water, 12 insane benefits you won't believe. What's up, guys? Today we're diving into the world of natural remedies with clove water. This stuff is the real deal. Boost your immune system, supercharge digestion, and kick inflammation to the curb. Clove water does it all. And the best part? It's so easy to make at home. Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own clove water step by step. You don't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about that immune system. Clove water is like a superhero sidekick, packed with antioxidants ready to fight off infections. These antioxidants are like little ninjas, battling free radicals and keeping your body in shape. A strong immune system means you're less likely to get sick, and who wants to be stuck in bed when there's fun to be had? Ever feel sluggish after a big meal? Clove water saves the day. It's a booster for your gut, stimulating digestive enzymes to break down food and keep things moving smoothly. Say goodbye to bad breath and hello to a healthy smile with clove water. Its antibacterial properties fight off bad bacteria, preventing cavities and gum disease. Enjoy fresh breath and a sparkling smile. Chapter 4. Inflammation? Not today. Inflammation can ruin your day, but clove water fights back. Its anti-inflammatory properties are like tiny firefighters, calming flare-ups and easing pain. Whether it's sore muscles from a workout or chronic inflammation, clove water helps you find relief. Chapter 5. Weight loss. Wonder, clove water to the rescue. Trying to shed pounds? Clove water can be your secret weapon. It boosts metabolism, helping burn calories efficiently. Plus, it curbs cravings, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Chapter 6. Blood sugar control. Clove water keeps it steady. Managing blood sugar levels? Clove water can be a game changer. It helps regulate blood sugar, preventing spikes and crashes. Especially helpful for diabetics, but beneficial for anyone aiming to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Chapter 7. Liver detox. Clove water cleanses and protects. Clove water supports your liver's natural detoxification. A healthy liver means a healthier you. Clove water can help make that happen. Chapter 8. Glowing skin. Thanks to clove water. Want that radiant glow? Clove water can help. Its antioxidants fight free radicals, promoting a youthful complexion. It can even reduce acne, leaving your skin clearer and healthier. Chapter 9. Breathe easy. Clove water for respiratory relief. Dealing with a cough or congestion? Clove water helps open airways and loosen mucus, making breathing easier. Whether it's a cold, flu, or chronic condition, clove water provides relief. Strong bones are essential for a healthy life. Clove water supports bone density and strength, keeping your skeleton in shape. Whether young or old, clove water helps maintain healthy bones for years to come. Feeling stressed or anxious? Clove water can help you find your zen. Its soothing properties calm both mind and body. Next time you're overwhelmed, reach for clove water and let its effects wash over you. Need a pick-me-up? Clove water provides a natural energy boost. It fights fatigue and increases energy levels, keeping you strong all day. Say goodbye to that afternoon slump and hello to sustained energy with clove water. Wow, we covered a lot. From boosting your immune system to improving your skin, clove water is a health powerhouse, and it's incredibly easy to make. Just grab a glass of water, add 2 to 3 cloves, and let it steep overnight. Enjoy it cold or warm it up for a soothing drink. So what are you waiting for? Try clove water and see the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching.